Okay, so here's the one that's been prepared earlier. You can see it's just been really loosely pop riveted, so it's going to leak in these spots. We'll just get some water in there and show you how badly that's going to perform, and then we'll show you the demonstration of how to repair it. So, leaking out nicely. Okay, so the first stage in repairing a gutter end is to cut your geofabric to size. Obviously getting it to fold up into the corners in just the right way. Normally requires just a couple of little cuts in there, just so it folds up nice and flat, because you don't want any creases in your geofabric as it's laying up. You're going to put your nice thick coat of VersEseal into the gutter first, so you've got something for the geofabric to stick into. And lay the geofabric into that wet product. And then the second coat of VersEseal goes over the top, over the geofabric, just to seal that in there to give you that wet on wet sandwich again. Very, very easy to use. Okay, so Lee's finished off waterproofing that gutter section for us. Sealed up both ends and the middle section as well. So we'll just show that the water's absolutely staying in that gutter now. There you go. One fixed piece of gutter.